Hi, Nabil. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Tika. Good to meet you too. Are you enjoying the party?
Yeah, it's great. You are? That's what I meant about. I good. Focus of Nabil.
Oh, I know the one. It's pretty awesome. So, I'll check it out sometime.
Definitely.
Aja Brian. Cek sama orang merah tapi yang besar.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey Nabil, long time no see. Come join us.
Yeah, have you been?
Not bad. Just finished a graduate. You two look great.
Thanks, just chilling. Tika was telling me about her new hobby.
Poetry is super busy but fun.
Cool. Anything exciting on your end, you are?
Not really, just work. You?
Planning a quick getaway to Lombok next month.
Oh, Lombok. Amazing.
We should all catch up more often.
Definitely, let's plan something soon.
Movie night for dinner.
Sounds good. I will grab an iced coffee.
Macam tak betul je budak ni.
Movie night.
Eh, dua. Apa? Oh, oke. Di mana tadi? Grab an iced coffee.